Peterson, Karaoke, Wanyoike. This is my wife, Melody Wanjiro. And these are my cousins, Caris and Victor. Maybe I'll say something before I read the tribute is maybe I'm a proud recipient of one thing maybe anybody has never seen, or is that she once beat me thoroughly. And she chased me. I used to be a scout, and I had the whistle, and she chased me around the house and whipped me. Until today, I'll never enter a woman's handbag. Mom, as I sit down to honor you, my heart swells with love and admiration for the incredible life you led. A tapestry woven with love, wisdom, and indomitable strength. You were a passionate teacher, a visionary entrepreneur, and above all, a nurturing mother. Your approach to life was beautifully simple, yet deeply profound. You affectionately called me Kiki in your everyday moments, Eric when I was mischievous or when serious matters arose, and Peterson when she overflowed with joy in her heart. I smile when I think of how your hobbies reflected your industrious and visionary spirit. You poured yourself into your work always and had an eye towards the future and never missed an opportunity to support others. Your wisdom and profound insights often came with a touch of humor and those witty comebacks that were uniquely yours. I cherish the simple things that brought you joy. Your preference for hot drinking water, your love for Michael Bolton and Yvonne Chaka Chaka music, and your shared laughter watching The Gods Must Be Crazy and Mr. Bean. Your love for fish over meat, your impatience with idleness and laziness, and your unwavering punctuality are lessons that have stayed with me. Our land prospecting adventures are among my most treasured memories. Standing together in Kileleshwa, you said, you had a vision to say, here we shall put up a hotel. And in Kimborero, you saw beyond the present, dreaming of a thriving community and a college of your own. Your uncanny ability to spot potential was unparalleled. Hence we have our brother here, Mr. Jenga, super machine. Super brother, super friend. You recognize talent in others they hadn't even seen in themselves. And your humor, Mom, it was one of the greatest gifts. I'll never forget those evenings when I would ask, what's for dinner? Hoping it was not githeri. Again, you would reply with a twinkle in your eye, Eabaga, reminding me to be resourceful and grateful. You are overjoyed to welcome Melody into our family, embracing her as a daughter and a true companion for me. Your love for your grandchildren, Shaza, Jay, Lizzie, and Degwa, knew no bounds, and you cherished every moment with them. You encouraged my independence, nurtured my life for IT, and instilled in me a value of discipline. Your love and wisdom have shaped me in innumerable ways. I long for our long conversations about grandchildren, my IT projects, and the farming tales that link me back to my roots here. Your legacy lives on, not just in the lessons you taught or the love you shared, but in the spirit of everyone you've touched. You remain my beacon of strength, my source of wisdom, and my embodiment of love. Your spirit will forever guide me and inspire me. I found a small from Proverbs 31, 25 to 26 that I think just reminds me of her. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. She speaks with wisdom, and faithful instruction is on her tongue. I love you, Mom.
We thank you very much. Thank you very much, the children of Lizzie. And we honor God for your composure and humor, even at your very weakest moment. We really thank God for you. And some of us are learning some quick parenting tips. One of them was, don't call your mother or father mom or dad in a staff meeting. Call them boss. We thank you. At this time, I would like all of us to stand up, at least to have a breather. We will be led in beautiful short singing, and then we proceed on. And as we come back, we are coming back for tributes of grandchildren. And these are Noni, Shiro.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Was great and taught my heart to fear. Praise my feet. How precious these that appear. I first believed. The Lord has brought me good to me. He's won my road secure. My sheep and conscience free, as long as life endures. When we be born 10,000 years, Christ shining on the side, we've gone to see.
Kindly have your seats. Noni is taking the platform, and she will be followed after that. Grandchildren's tribute. Kindly the siblings prepare. Kirago.
Good afternoon, everyone.